Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe. Technical analysis is a method used by traders to evaluate and forecast the future price movements of financial assets, such as stocks or currencies. This analysis relies on historical price data, volume, and other market statistics to identify patterns that can help traders make informed decisions. One of the main roles of technical analysis is to help traders identify trends in the market. By analyzing charts and patterns, traders can determine whether an asset's price is likely to continue moving in a certain direction. Another key role of technical analysis is to help traders identify potential entry and exit points for their trades. By studying support and resistance levels, traders can determine optimal times to buy or sell an asset. The benefits of technical analysis include the ability to make more informed trading decisions based on data and statistics. It can also help traders manage risk by setting stop-loss orders and identifying potential price targets. In conclusion, technical analysis plays a crucial role in the trading world by helping traders identify trends, entry and exit points, and manage risk effectively. I hope you understand the concept of technical analysis in stock market. Comment your opinion, like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the Tectonic Motivator channel for more interesting updates.